Welcome to Amyart.app. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add multiple artworks to an action in Amy. We'll start from the artwork overview after you've logged in and create a new action. Let's make it an artwork list. Of course, you can do this with any action you want. In the action, on the left, you have an overview of all your artworks in Amy. You can drag any artwork into the action. But you can also add all your artworks to an action by clicking on this button here. As this button adds a lot of artworks at once, it asks for a confirmation. So we can confirm by clicking Add Items. Now you see all my artworks have been added to this action. And I can reorder or delete artworks as usual. Now let's make a new list. In this list, we want a specific set of works. For example, all works by one artist, or with a certain tag or a certain title. We want to add our found results from the left column and add them all at once to the action, instead of dragging each one separately. Here's how this goes. Let's do a search. And now, if we click the same button, it will add all the found items to our action. Again, it asks for a confirmation. You see all the found items have been added. You can repeat this with other searches and add those to the action as well. Let's do another search. We click the button again, and these artworks have been added as well. And again, I can reorder or delete artworks as usual. So this is a quick way to add all your items or a set of items you found with a search to your actions. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope you enjoy using Amyart app.